Hazrat Anas reports that when Hazrat Abu Bakr sent him to Bahrain, he wrote for him as follows: In the name of Allah, the most affectionate, extremely beneficent. This is the obligatory charity which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam enjoined on the Muslims, and about which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded His Apostle. Whosoever of the Muslims is asked to pay according to it must give it, but whosoever is asked to pay more than that must not give it. For 24 or less camels, one must give a nanny goat for every 5. When they reach 25, then up to 35, a 1-year-old she camel must be given. When they reach the number of 36, then up to 45, a 2-year-old she camel is due. When they reach 46, then up to 60, a 3-year-old she camel able to be copulated is payable. When they reach 61, then up to 75, a 4-year-old she camel is to be given. When there is 76, then up to 90, 2-year-old she camels become due. When they reach 91, then up to 120, 2 3-year-old she camels able to be covered are payable. When they exceed 120, then for every 40, a 2-year-old she camel is payable, and for every 50 is a 3-year-old she camel. And whosoever possesses only 4 camels, no zakat is due on them, but if his honor wishes. And when they reach 5, a nanny goat is payable on them. And zakat on pasturing goats is that when the number from 40 to 120, a nanny goat is payable on them. When they exceed 120, then up to 200, 2 nanny goats are to be given. And on over 200 up to 300, 3 nanny goats become due. When they exceed 300, a nanny goat is to be given for every 100. When a man has only 1 goat less than 40, no zakat is due on them, but if his honor wishes. And on silver, a 40th part is payable. If anyone has 190 dirhams, no zakat is due unless his honor wishes. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1454.